Hello and welcome to another review from Beads Jar. I'm Natalia and today I'm going to be looking at these Beadsmith bracelet bending pliers. So these are the perfect custom tool for bending blanks, stampings and any other objects that you want to bend into a curved shape. So you'll see the jaws of this are curved there. And so that those pieces naturally fit around your wrist rather than having to just make do with a flat object. And these are very, very good quality, very easy and ergonomic to use. And the nylon jaws on these will make sure that they don't mark the metal that you're using, which is really important. The other thing is, as you'll see, we've got some little screw holes there. And so the nylon jaws themselves are replaceable. If you're using these a lot, and the nylon does become damaged eventually if it gets a lot of wear and tear, and simply order some replacement nylon pieces, loosen the screws, remove the old nylon and then put the new pieces into place. So I'm going to show you how to use these nylon jaw pliers. So we're going to bend this leaf charm. So this is sterling silver. And it's flat at the moment, so if we wanted to have it like a tag on a bracelet, at the moment it's okay, but it's sitting flat across my wrist there, so I want to curve it slightly. So you want to pop it into the nylon jaws. So you can, depending on how you want to have your charm, you'll want to bend it. So I'm going to bend it this way and just pop the end in there, make it sure it's central, and then just press down. And then put the rest of the leaf through like that. And you can see now it's got this lovely bend. If I wanted to bend it the opposite way, if I wanted to have it going this way, I could also do the same. So just place it centrally inside the pliers and then just press. The jaws are strong enough to create this lovely bend in the piece. So when it goes onto your wrist, it fits absolutely beautifully. I'm going to show you with a slightly larger piece. So this is a piece of filigree. This is nice and flexible. I could actually bend it with my hands. But I'm going to use the pliers just to bend it into shape. So I'm going to start at this end and work my way across. Turn it around. And you can see it's starting to bend the piece really nicely. We've got that lovely curved shape on the piece now. And there's all kinds of things that you could do with that. So you've got that as a beautiful bracelet blank, but it's fitting perfectly on the wrist in a nice curved shape. So an excellent tool for your toolbox, a really wonderful way of making sure that any pieces that you want to have a slight curvature to them, you can do them very accurately and professionally. And another excellent product from Beadsmith.